hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can factory reset your factory data reset your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, or S22, or mostly all of the Samsung phones, I would say, with the same version. And for that, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go ahead and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Press the like button if you like the video, and press the bell icon so you will get the notification about my next video. So let's move on. And what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna go into the settings, and for that I'll go into settings. Next thing, I need to go into the general maintenance, general management. Click over here all the way down, click reset, and then you can do factory data reset. Mostly when people are going to sell their phones, at that point they do factory data reset their phones. Even I would suggest you have to factory data reset your phone so no one will misuse your data. So before you are selling your phone or you're giving your phone to someone else for permanent basis, so at that point you have to do factory data reset. So what you need to do is factory data, click tap on factory data reset and reset. So one thing I would like to tell you at this point is, if you have signed in your Samsung account or your Google account, it's going to ask for the password of one of that account before it will start resetting your phone. For now I don't have any, so it's not going to ask me for anything. Just tap reset and delete all. So I'm going to delete all. It's going to shut down. It's going to take its time to get reset, and so once it will reset, so that's all you need to do to reset, factory data reset your phone. So at this point your phone is good. Like you want to sell it, you can sell it without like worrying about your data. So it's going to wipe out everything inside your phone. So it's going to take its time. Once it's done, it's going to turn on, and it's going to turn on like you are setting up a new phone. And after that, what you need to do is all you need to do is set up your phone like you just bought a new phone. So I'm gonna wait until it will take to the main cell, to this screen I was waiting for. So it's already there. So that's all you need to do for factory data reset. And that's it for the video. So if you like my video, press the like button and go ahead and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive a notification whenever I upload the new video. And looks like it's almost there, and that's it for the day. Bye.